Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about NPC coin. This is a best ecosystem meme coin. Friends, right now you can see almost 18% pump right now. Current price $0.014, but still this coin is in massive dip. I can see I'm holding about $20 for this coin. $600,000 plus trading volume in just MEX exchange and all time. Okay, sorry, last 24-hour low price was $0.1 and high is $0.15, so almost 20% pump in this coin also. So this is really good. And friends, like see NPC non-playable coin current market 100 and almost $10 million. So this is good. I will show you all further details. And friends, still this coin is not on Binance because base ecosystem coin is still not listed on Binance yet, but maybe it's possible that we can see NPC listing on Binance also. Okay, friends, so there are too many meme coins with the same name, non-playable coin, NPC on Sol, NPC on 88. But friends, this meme coin is working on base chain. This is base ecosystem coin. You see on CoinGo, the data are different, almost 23% pump here, and the current market. Okay, $118.9 million on MEX exchange was I think 110, but actual market is around $119 million, $5.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 8 billion supply all in circulation, so the supply is very good. Okay, not too huge, but supply is good. Initially launched in base ecosystem, after that on Solana, BNB, and right now on Ethereum also. You can see friends, not just a meme coin but working in NFT also, hybrid token standard and Wojak theme, 4chan meme. So basically, this is a meme coin, and we are 77% down this all-time high. No doubt, today's coin is almost 22% pump here, but still we are 77% down this all-time high. It was $0.6 7 months ago, and 32% up in this all-time low. Also, they were 2 years ago. And friends, like see, Bitnix has listed this coin, CoinX, KuCoin has already listed this coin, MEXC, Gate.io. Okay, but still there's no Binance yet for this meme coin. You can see, friends. Bilexi, BingX, no Coinbase, Binance listing for this coin yet, but maybe it's possible that in coming few weeks, if we see a massive upside movement in crypto market, that is now possible. Okay, and best ecosystem hype in crypto market, then definitely is possible that NPC coin can also perform amazing here. You can see here all further details on their website. The first meme coin, NFT harbor, and you can also check out all further details here. You can also check out by yourself. 38.7 followers for this coin, so this is good, friends. You can see 38.7k followers for this meme coin, the first NFT hybrid meme coin on Ethereum, Solana, and Base Chain. So you can also check out all further details here. Community is active. Okay, and Coinbase, okay, account was created in July 2023, almost 2 years old coin, still active. You can see, friends, 18 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago. So project is active and this team is looking good. You can see, friends, so continuously they have posts about this project, so this is really good. Friends, now my price prediction for NPC is that this current market is around $120 million. But friends, I think this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. It's really possible that we can see an NPC up to $10 billion market in this year mega balloon, because already $120 million market, and not listed on Binance, Coinbase, not on Gemini, not on Kraken yet, and Bybit is still not list this coin. So on few central exchanges has list this coin, so it's still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. And because community is still active since last 2 years in this meme coin, so it's definitely possible that we can see NPC coin listing on all tier 1 central exchanges. Definitely when we see a massive high for meme coins in crypto market again, and then it's possible the NPC coin can be the next $1 billion market coin and can be next listing for all tier 1 central exchanges. I already holding this coin in MEX exchange. I buy about I think $10 worth, but right now I'm 2x here already, because I remember I first time share this with coin with you, I think around 40 or $50 million market. at that time I also buy this coin, and I'm still holding this coin, and I'm going to hold this coin until this market cap reach $1 billion. My selling target in market cap number is around 3 to 10 billion dollars. What's your price prediction? Do you really think that NPC coin can list on Coinbase and Binance soon, and we can see its market cap around 3 to 10 billion dollars in this year mega bullion or not? You can must comment down below.